So you can never go wrong with another robe. And yes, my cat also loves pink. Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create all kinds of fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, click the notification bell below so you don't miss out on my new videos, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I am back with the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale, and I'm so excited to share with you all the cute things that I got. I was a little bit sad at first because I wasn't able to shop the first week that they started their sale, so I missed out on a few items, but I did end up getting some really cute stuff. So let's go ahead and dig right into it. So the first thing I got was a perfume, and this one here I've actually owned in the past. So when this was on sale, I was like, I have to get this again. It smells incredible. I think out of all the perfumes from Victoria's Secret, this is the one that I would repurchase over and over again because it just smells really good. And for some reason, this perfume just seems to last a little bit longer than the other ones, because I do have the problem with Victoria's Secret perfumes. They don't really last as long. But this one smells so amazing. It's called the Victoria's Secret Scandalous Perfume. Oh, it smells so good. Love this. I feel like if you wear this, your man is going to go crazy. So definitely recommend this. It's really good. I also picked up one of my holy grail products that I would highly recommend, and I already own like 4 of these, but I wanted to stock up and just have a few of them just to put aside in case I do run out. And it is the Pink Scrub Down Coconut Oil. It is the most amazing body scrub you will ever find, and it smells really good. It has like a very light coconut scent. It leaves your skin so buttery soft, so hydrated, and I would highly recommend this to anybody. You guys need to get your hands on this. Like I said, I do have like 4 of them. The next thing I got are these cute little mists. These are the warm and cozy. I do have the full size, but when I saw that they had the mini size, I immediately got them just because they're the perfect size for my purse. And I can just throw that in my purse or my tote bag, and I can have a little mini spray without having to carry the big one. So definitely love these, and they smell so yummy. It says it has hints of soft vanilla, toasted coconut, and passion fruit. So definitely love this. So I also got a bra, and the bra is from Victoria's Secret. I know they have some from the pink section, but there wasn't any in my size, you guys. So I ended up getting this one. It's so pretty. Like, all their bras are such good quality. And this one here in the back has like this like lace detail, which I thought was super cute. It's in this light pink, and I love the strap in the back. It just is like Victoria's Secret with like lace and gold. So I got this one. I think it's so pretty. It's super soft. Also from the sale, I ended up getting this cream. This one is the Victoria's Secret Love is Heavenly fragrance lotion, and oh, it smells so good. This here has a lot of like floral and rose scents, but it smells really good, and I just love these kind of body lotions, especially like after the shower. I also got these here, which I know have been very popular all over Instagram. It's the Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals Lip Cream, and it smells so delicious. It smells just like roses. Like, I don't know, like roses and cream. It's such a nice lotion, and I love the packaging. I think it's adorable. So of course I got this, and I had to get the body mist to go with it. It's the same one, Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals, and I ended up getting 2 of these just because I am planning on doing a giveaway for my 20K. So I ended up getting like a couple of each for different things just so I can throw in the giveaway, but I also got 2. And I got a face mask since we're probably going to be wearing face masks for a while. I think the only place I can show my face is in YouTube. I think that's why I love YouTube. I can actually show my face and I don't have to hide it behind a mask. But I did get this beautiful pink mask with stripes from Victoria's Secret. Their masks are really good quality. They are super soft. They don't irritate my skin, and even like the inside is just so velvety and so soft. So I ended up getting this one so that I could wear it with my pink outfits. Also from Victoria's Secret, I got another cream, and this one is so that it can go with my perfume. It goes with it. This one is the Scandalous Fragrance Lotion. Love this lotion. It smells just like this. I'm so glad I got the body lotion and the perfume to go with it. Also, when I was checking out, I thought I was all done shopping, and of course when you're at the checkout line, there's a ton of people, a huge line, and you just look everywhere and there's tons of sales. So I came across this adorable keychain. Like, how adorable is this? It has the Victoria's Secret logo in pink and black, and it's gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty. I can't wait to add this to my keys. I think this is like adorable. They also had like a lighter pink one, but I really like this one. And I need something big for my keys because I lose my keys all the time. So hopefully this will help me not to lose them and just find them quicker. And also, as I was checking out as well, I noticed this beautiful scarf, and this was the only one in the store. So of course I had to get it, like without even hesitation. I just grabbed it. Look how stunning this is. It's so pretty, so silky, and it says bombshell all over the scarf. This is the most adorable scarf ever. So I ended up getting it so that I could either use it for my purse, for like my tote bag, or even for like my hair to tie it around. But I thought this was like the most adorable scarf ever. And the last thing that I got, where is it? Okay, this one I am so excited about. It is this beautiful robe, and it's in the beautiful classic pink stripes with light pink and darker pink. This is like adorable. You guys, I have so many robes already, but I literally use them all the time, so you can never go wrong with another robe. And it's gonna go perfect with all my pajamas. So I was so excited that I found this. Even the girl at the cash register, she was like, where did you get that? Like, she didn't even notice there was one, and this was like the only one left. I did get this in a medium large. Normally I'm a small, or like extra small in these robes, but there wasn't any more, so I got this one. But it fits perfectly. I mean, it is a little bit looser, but it's okay. It's definitely worth getting. So those were the things that I got from the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. I also wanted to show you guys a few things that my friend Joey sent out to me. These were Christmas gifts, but they arrived a little bit late just because the post office was so late. So late. Literally, I also sent her a few items. They didn't arrive till probably 2 weeks after Christmas. I don't know why. Next time I know, next year. Next year. So she got me this adorable North Pole sign. Like, how adorable is this? It's beautiful, and it has that perfect shade of pink on the top. It says sweet and Merry Christmas to all. And it has a little gingerbread on the bottom. This is like so adorable, and she has the same one, so we're gonna be matching. So I'm definitely gonna save this for next Christmas, and I'm so in love with it. It's so pretty. And she also got me a couple other things. Let me show you those. Also, my bestie sent me these adorable little ornaments. How cute are these? Look how stunning. These are little heels with pink and gold, and she also got me these in white with pink, and they have little bows in the back. Like, how cute is that? Also, these little mini gnomes. Like, these are so cute. Like, these are perfect for like Valentine's as well. And these lights with like stars. So she got me 2 packs of that, and then she wrote me a letter. But she's super sweet, you guys. She does have a YouTube channel. It's JJ's Pink Secrets. I'll link it down below so you guys can subscribe to her. She also does Victoria's Secret hauls and a bunch of pink beauty hauls. So check it out, subscribe to her. I'll link her channel down below. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.